Meet Carl, the local service guy at the facility, taking care of hundreds of pumps, systems, pipings, connectivity, maintenance tasks, and more. Carl knows a lot, but not all. Today, Carl is diagnosing a problem with a pump after he has received an alarm from the Scada system. For his help, Carl has a mobile augmented reality headset that provides him with live data, both from the specific equipment, in this case a pump, as well as the full system. The data comes directly from the Scada system. The system guides Carl to the specific alarm, and Carl can then use the live data to diagnose the problem. Time series data can be compared with each other to show patterns, and if needed, additional devices and data sources can be added on the fly. In this case, Carl can't fix the problem by himself. Again, he knows a lot, but not all. Luckily, he can contact his lifeline at Grundfos and see if they together can solve the problem. Meet Christian, Carl's lifeline and expert working at Grundfos. Christian and Carl connect to each other using voice over IP, Carl with his headset and Christian on his computer. Christian has access to Carl's system using a 3D model. All data that Carl can see in his world, Christian can see in the 3D model. He can even see and follow the position of Carl. This means Christian quickly has a contextual understanding of the environment and the problem. If needed, Christian can use the 3D model to direct Carl in the real world, for instance, to a specific location. Christian can also send documents, videos, and other content to Carl's universe to help him in his work. Carl can decide himself where the best place is to have the content. Carl, on the other hand, can share photos or videos from his reality so that Christian can support him even better. In the end, Christian and Carl together figures out what the problem is, and the case can be closed. Carl thanks Christian, his lifeline friend, always looking over his shoulder. Both are happy and excited what awaits next during their interesting workday.